This is a lightweight, compact, negative ionic, 110,000 RPM high-speed hair dryer with 3 speeds, 4 temperatures, including 1-click cooling, a magnetic flat nozzle, and a detachable hair care module. I was sent a review from Vacasso. So let's take a closer look and try it out. It's a great box, totally gift worthy. Magnetic nozzle. We've got a polarized 2-prong plug, really long cord with included Velcro cord management strap. The air intake is down here, so you don't have to worry about it sucking your hair in up here. A really nice look, super cute, weighing just over a pound. It is super lightweight and compact. Really great for use at home and while traveling. You can use it as is or attach the flat nozzle, just snaps on with magnets. Oh. This will help concentrate the airflow, and it rotates 360 degrees infinitely. Wow! Instructions are right here on a sticker. You can take it off or leave it on. It also comes with an instruction manual. Really intuitive to use this, so easy. Long press to turn it on. Here's your speed. Low, medium, high. And then temperature, off, it's just gonna be kind of room temperature. 110, 130, 150, 170. That's your hottest. And then one-touch cooling here. So you could have it on the highest, for example, and then when you hold the one-touch cooling, it'll put it on room temperature for as long as you're gonna hold it, and then immediately back to the heat. That's so cool. But then if you want it to be cool, then you just go to the cool setting. Amazing. If you want to add some aroma, pop this in, add the magnetic nozzle on top, and that makes your hair smell nice. You can just pop that out. Use it if you want or don't, but it's cool that it comes with that. You can even long press the temperature to enter a automatic cycle of hot and cold. Product page says it infuses the air with 100 million negative ions per second to help reduce frizz. I'm gonna add this little aroma container here. Doesn't seem to fall out, it just stays right in there. But I'm also gonna add the concentrator now. It remembers your setting. That was a quick dry, not loud. I love this hair dryer from Vacasso, and I know you will too.